Today we're talking about active off-road bump stops. Are they better than your OEM bump stops? Hello, my name is Andrew, and this is Timbren. Every vehicle on the market comes with OEM bump stops. They're installed at the factory. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer, and they're designed to prevent metal from hitting metal. When the suspension bottoms out, that's when the frame slams down on the axle. The OEM bump stops that are usually made out of polyurethane protect the frame and the axle from serious damage. However, when you're engaged in some real off-roading, when the suspension is bottoming out several times a minute, you're going to find that the OEM bump stops really don't cut it. When the OEM bump stop slams down over and over again, it wears on the vehicle and the driver. The harsh jounce produces too much stress, which will cause the vehicle and the driver to break down. Active off-road bump stops are a massive improvement over the factory OEM bump stops. Why? Well, first of all, our AN rubber springs that replace the OEM bump stops are hollow inside, which allows for more give when they engage. Secondly, our AN springs use a softer material than the factory bump stops. They're made of a natural rubber compound, so that harsh jounce disappears. And third, along with that softer ride, the driver will gain more control over the vehicle, which makes for a much safer driving experience. But here's something you need to know. Don't confuse our active off-road bump stop kits for our Timbren SCS kits. Timbren SCS kits, although they do replace the OEM factory bump stops, were never designed to act as a bump stop. They're designed to be a helper spring to assist with heavy loads. To recap, here's a list of benefits you'll receive if you install an active off-road bump stop kit. Active off-road bump stops soften that harsh jolt when the suspension bottoms out, and it increases the dampening response. And they assist the driver in maintaining control of the vehicle. Active off-road bump stops are available for both front and rear applications. And best of all, they come with a lifetime warranty and a satisfaction guarantee. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any more questions about our active off-road bump stops or any of our other products, give us a call or reach out via email or social media. And if you like this video, why not hit that like button? And if this is the kind of content you like and you want to see more of, hit that big red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you stay notified every time there's a new video. See ya!